Student, today we will start the new topic. The name of our new topic is find the quotient and remainder. Okay. Now first of all the example number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is are given to you. Using this 4 example, we have to solve the find the quotient and remainder. The first of all the meaning of the remainder it means what? After a division, you have to left the number. Okay. Now we have to solve it. The solution of the first one example is what? Solution. Now see listen here. 43 divided by 5. Use the simple division method. We have to solve this example. Okay. Now we have to solve it. First of all, see listen here. This is our 43 divided by 5. It means what? This is our 43. We have to simple divided by 5. This is our 5. Now we have simple division method. It means that now see listen here. 5 divided by what? 43. 5 1 ja 1, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 4 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45. Now see listen here. 5 9 ja 45. But 45 number is a greater than number than that of 43. It means that we have to use the less number. This is our 5 8 ja 40. This is our 5 8 ja 40. We have to write down the 40. Okay. Now we have to solve this question. This is our 3. We have to use the subtraction sign. Okay. Now see this is 3 minus 0 is for 3. This is our 3. And the 4 minus 4 is was 0. It means that you have to find the quotient and remainder. The remainder it means what? After a division, you have to let the number it was. This is our 3. And find the quotient. The quotient of the number it was how many number you have to find the number of the divisible, completely divisible. Okay. Now see listen here. You have to write down the find the quotient. Here will be quotient is equals to and remainder. What is the quotient? The quotient is what? This is our 8. This is our 8. And find the remainder. This is the last term is what? This is our 3. It means that you have to find the quotient and remainder. It means you have to do the quotient is equals to 8. And find the remainder is equals to 3. Same example, this is the second one example solve it. The solution of the second one example. See listen here. It will be 72 divided simple division method divided by 10. Now we have to solve it. This is our 72 simple divided by what? 10. Now see listen here. It will be 10 and this is our 72. Because 10 1 ja 1, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 4 ja 40, 10 5 ja 50, 10 6 ja 60 and 10 7 ja 70, 10 8 ja 80. But 80 number is what? Greater than of 72. It means we have to use a less number. This is our what? 10 7 ja 72. This is our 10 7 ja 72. We have to using the subtraction. Okay. Listen here. 10 7 ja 70. 10 7 ja 70. This is our 2 minus 0 is what? 2. This is our 7 minus 7 3 ja 0. And we have to find the quotient and remainder. The remainder is was 2 and find the quotient is what? 2 7. It means that we have to write it. This is our what? Quotient. Quotient is equals to what? This is our 7. And same way you have to find the remainder. This is our remainder. Find the remainder is equals to what? 2. This is our 2. Now next one question. This is all two example is based on you have to find the quotient and remainder. Now next one question. This is our third one question. The solution of the third one question is what? Now see listen here. 83 divided by 9. It means that you have to write down the 83 Okay. First of all, the 83 divided by 9. Okay. Now see the table of 9. 9 1 is 1. Now see table of what? 9 1 is 1 and then 9 10 is 90. It means that 90 number is greater than that of 83. It means we have to use a less number. Here will be 9 9 is 81. Okay. This is our what? 9 9 is 81. This is our 81. Okay. Now we have to solve it. We have to use the subtraction. Okay. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Here will be 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay. Now find the quotient and remainder is equals to what? First of all, we have to find the quotient is what? This is our 9. We have to write down the 9. Okay. And find the remainder is what? This is our 2. Okay. Because the 2 is a left number after the division. We have to find the left of a number is called as a remainder. And find the quotient is what? This is a number. How many numbers we have to use to complete? Okay, it's a completely divisible, but it's not a completely divisible. Okay, because the 9 9 is 81 and the 9 10 was 90. Because 90 number is a greater than that of the 83. That is why we have to use in the form of what? 81. Now same way we have to solve the last one question. This is our question number 4. It will be listen here. 152 divided by what? 10. Now see, this is our 10. We have to divide it by what? 152. Now see, listen here. This is our what? 15. This is our 152 divided by what? 10. First of all, we have to solve these two number. This is our 15. Okay. Now see, listen here. 10 1 is 1, 10 2 is 20. But 20 number is a greater than that of 15. Okay. It means that we have to use in only 1. 10 1 is 1. This is our what? 10 1 is 1. This is our 10. Now we have to solve it. Okay. This is our 5 minus 0 is what? 5. This is our 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 10 is after directly divided by 5. Okay, it means that we have to do remaining term is what? 2. Here 2 will come here. This is our 2. Now we have to solve it. Okay, 10 1 is 1, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, 10 4 is 40, 10 5 is 50. Means what? Here will be 10 5 is 50. This is our what? 10 5 is 50. Now we have to solve it. Listen here. This is our what? 2 minus 0 is what? 2. This is our 5 minus 5 is 0. This is our 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Find the quotient and remainder. This is our quotient. Find the quotient and remainder. First of all, we have to find the quotient and remainder. The quotient is what? 15. This is our, we have to write down the 15. Okay, and find the remainder. This is our what? 2. This is our quotient is what? 15, and find the remainder is what? 2. This is our 2. This is our way. We have to solve the example. Find the quotient and remainder. This all the 4 examples is are based on to find the quotient and remainder. Hope so everyone is student understood the concept of the quotient. How can we find the quotient and remainder? And the next topic we will start from the next of this video. Have a nice day.